Hey guys, how are you? In today's tutorial in fundamental programming, I'm going to tell you about C++ and today our topic will be loop. What is loop and how the loop works? It's very simple and you just have to understand what the loop was. So repetition of statements is called loop. So loop just do that, it repeats your statements by conditioning it. Inside a loop there you give the condition and then it repeat your statement according to the condition you want to repeat. How many times you want to repeat, it will be written in the loop statement. So let's just start with our today's tutorial. What is the syntax of loop? And basically there are two types of loops, for loop and the other one is while loop in C++. And also my favorite one is for loop, and it is easier and its syntax is very easy to understand. First you will declare for loop, and these brackets, inside this bracket you will first declare and initialize your variable, and in which you will write your statement. For example, I declare a variable name a of int type and I set it equal to 0 after doing declaration and initialization. After clearing your first step, the second step is to write semicolon and conditions, and then come to the conditions. And after that, the second step will be you will write the condition after declaration and initialization. Here you will write the condition. So what will be the conditions? For example, if I want to display my statement 5 times, so what I simply do, I will insert a and set it less than 5. I want to display less than 5. As you know that a is 0, so counting from 0 to 4, total numbers are 5. So it is a little bit tricky, but you will get to know it after you practice and doing the for loop practice in your Dev C++, because practical practice are very important in coding. Otherwise theoretical things are nothing but just a blurry concept in your mind and it gets erased easily. If you do it practically, it will be remain in your brain permanently. So after that you will increment it. So like that, in first loop it is 0, in second loop it will be 1, in third loop it will be 2, in fourth loop it will be 3, in fifth loop it will be 4. Like that it will keep on incrementing in each loop, in each step. Okay, now in these braces you will write your statement, whatever you want to repeat. So let's just see example. Here it is. So as you can see that I declare in main the for loop, I set it equal to first 0, I declare initialize it, and there I give a condition a less than 5 and then I increment it. And here it is, I declare cout hello world. And now as you can see that I want to display it, repeat, what it means, repeat it 5 times. So it will repeat it 5 times. Let's just start it, and here it is compiling right now. As you can see that in console, here you can see the repeated statement. I want my hello world to be 5 times, and you can count it. It is displaying 5 times. It repeats by using the for loop the statement 5 times. So in the next video I will tell you about what is while loop, and thank you for watching it, and keep on subscribing my channel, and bye bye.